Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on OPPO A38. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and now click install. Now you can click open and here you can click skip introduction and now click open permissions and you have to allow your AI assistant to display over other apps. Then click back and click back again and now you can click start and as you can see here is your AI assistant and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.